Hi folks, in today's problem I'm asked to sketch the net for the solid. This is actually number 6 in your worksheet for today, so go ahead and follow along there. What we do here you'll be able to apply to all of the different figures in the worksheet that you're doing today. So what I want to do here is think about this three-dimensional figure. Obviously it's a two-dimensional figure that I've represented three-dimensionally. I want to think about trying to unfold it, unbox it, like pull it into its different parts. So that was what we were doing when we were asked to draw a net of a cube. Remember that in the work we did before? So some of us did this. This is not the net of a cube. This is a three-dimensional representation of a cube. A net of a cube would look something like this, because this is each face of the cube, and then if I folded each face up I would have a box, right? A cube. So that was from before. Now what we're going to do is unfold these figures into their nets. So as you can see here, our faces are different shapes. So I've got a quadrilateral on this side over here, and a quadrilateral on this side here, and a quadrilateral on this side here. This is like a long rectangle, and kind of a shorter one. And then on either side, I guess, of the figure, you'll see we have this long triangle, right triangle, on both sides. And it'd be the same size right triangle on both sides, right? So if I imagine folding the right triangle downward, then I would end up with something like this. It would look like this, wouldn't it? If I folded along this line right here, wouldn't I end up with kind of this right here? And then I'd have it'd be attached to this long rectangle here, which this side would be on the same line as this one. And so I'd have this long rectangle. Now how long would it be? Would it be the same length as the triangle? Yes, it would be, wouldn't it? So they would come together here. Now you'll notice I'm sketching. Am I being very, very precise? No. It asked me to sketch it, so let's just do it. We're going to keep just sketching. So this other triangle should be about the same size though, right? Because we know that. And now I've folded the triangles down. What I haven't folded down is this side with that shorter triangle. So I need kind of a shorter triangle on this side that I fold down this way, right? And then the last one is this long triangle here that I need to fold down that way, right? So it's going to look like that, something like that. Now I didn't measure it, but that looks really close to what this would look like if I cut it and splayed it all out into a two-dimensional figure. And let's just verify, like if this came up, that would be the triangles up, and then I would close up the top of the box and the foot, right? So I've sketched the net for the solid in number 6 of the worksheet that you're doing today. You're going to do this with all of the figures that you see today, and then later we'll find surface area. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.